Wait. We forgot something.
What?
Shovels. What are we planting today, Rachel?
We are planting a red pride and a bumblebee.
All right, and we're just planting tomatoes. Why are we not planting your peppers yet?
Because they're supposed to go up to 15 degrees.
Peppers need to be planted above 50 degrees. So tomatoes are okay to plant as long as there's no frost. So let's find a spot for those. We don't want to disturb the worms too much. Watch your fingers. Watch your brother's fingers.
Ow! Watch my fingers. Ah!
When you're digging a hole, just move it to the side like that a little bit. You got some nice loose soil there, girl.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have the best tomatoes ever. You might think that soil isn't really important for plants. Like they can do any kind of soil. You might think that, but they actually need soft soil like this. And they need healthy soil. You might think just like, well, soil doesn't matter, I'll just plant the plant. And you might think the plant matters, but the soil doesn't. The soil matters the most.
We can talk about that. Hold on. Shoot.
All these little fuzzy things on the stem of this tomato, when those touch the ground, when those fuzzy things touch the ground, that will grow a new leaf and a new tomato. So if we put a banana and an egg in there, it gives the soil lots of nutrients.
A banana gives potash, which is potassium.
Potassium. Where's the egg? Oh, where's the egg?
So that will provide potassium. You just stick the whole egg in there and it slowly breaks down. Now what you're gonna do is cover just that a little bit. Yeah, Rachel will. Okay, that's it, that's good. So Mom was rough handling the plant and
I should have planted it.
it broke. Whoops. So we need to go get another one. Luckily we have some extras.
Yay.
All right, we got another plant. Okay, hold on. Now pull this one out gently. Whoa.
Whoa, she's a beauty.
It's gonna break up. All right, girly.
Let's cover it up.
First tomato Rachel's planting.
Rachel.
Here, Carson, you want to dump this one out? You get it? Squeeze the bottom a little bit, he's dumping some for you. It's just dirt, dude.
Let's put the marker in the dirt. Mommy, you can take it. The whole thing.
You're good.
She's a beauty. We just planted tomatoes and that's it. Planting a forget you not.
Forget me not.
Forget me not. I mixed that up. It's hard to mix it up sometimes. Gonna cultivate the soil. I mean, you already know to do that. And you've seen me do this all the time in this video. The rest of the story and never know when could I? Here's the forget me not. I don't know why it's called that either, but worth a try. Break that up. Break that up. A forget-me-not will get really pretty blue flowers on it. You didn't know that? Well, I don't know if any of you have ever planted a forget-you-not. Done, Mom. I want something else to plant. Boba snuggled up.
Is she snuggled?
Yeah.